All right, so here's just one more review problem with division. So we have 7,200 divided by 10 to the third power. In the last video, we determined that 10 to the third power was 10 times 10 times 10, or also equal to 1,000. We also know that that exponent is telling us which way we're moving that decimal. So if we have 7,200 divided by 10 to the third power, we're going to move our decimal 3 times, but we're dividing this time, so it must be not to the right, we're going to the left. Now looking at 7,200, I don't see a decimal place, but there is one there. Where is that decimal place value? Right here on the end of that number. We're moving to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So my new answer is 7 2/10.